8 months ago, this place was just a vision yet to be accomplished. But today, we have units of beautifully structured bungalows, semi-detached and fully detached. This estate is situated in the heart of Awoyaya-Lekki, Lagos. It's few minutes drive to Awoyaya bus stop and surrounded by beautiful development. You might be thinking, where can I get a beautiful apartment in Lagos, a beautiful bungalow in Lagos that will give me that time to spread my payments with little or no interest? Now, here is where to come to, because after making an initial deposit here, we are giving you 6 months to make your payment with 0 interest, and we also have 12 months flexible payment plan available for you. This estate, the rooms in here, the houses in here are fully finished. Build our houses with quality materials, quality doors, and we are offering you amazing features in here like a mini lake, swimming pool, CCTV surveillance camera. We are offering you so many beautiful things: a dedicated transformer, a beautiful green area, a wide space. Look at the wide parking space for you and you alone. Here is where to come to at Awoyaya to get started on that home ownership journey as soon as possible. Then how do you get started? You can key in a unit of this bungalow with an initial deposit of 5 million naira and spread your balance for 6 months with 0 interest. Yes, to get started as soon as possible, please call the numbers on your screen. I remain your realtor, Abibola, and I promise to always bring you amazing deals on the island and mainland. See you soon. Bye for now.